Korea's premier airline, Korean Air, announced on August 1st that it will discontinue its offering of instant cup noodles to its passengers as a result of the increased likelihood of turbulence. The company has announced that it will stop serving Shin Ramen cup noodles, the sole instant noodle product it has been serving between meals for long-haul flights, effective August 15th. It was also stated that the service modification will only affect economy passengers. The company blamed the incident for the increased air turbulence, stating that turbulent conditions have resulted in spills and disruptions when passengers consume the spicy noodle soup or when the cabin personnel serve it. The climate crisis has recently spiked the turbulence's frequency. Compared to 2019, the frequency has more than doubled this year, a Korean Air official said. Some passengers have suffered serious burns. The decision affects only economy seats, as their compact design leads to a greater risk of spills and injuries, unlike the more spacious business class seats. You know how one passenger starts slurping that noodle inside the cabin, and more people are immediately enticed to order the same thing, the official said. Then the cabin crews get busy preparing food and serving them, sometimes carrying multiple cups at once. When a plane at the same time hits turbulence and shakes, people can get hurt. It's especially true considering the cup's design that doesn't guarantee stability due to its small, circular base. Korean Air intends to offer a safer alternative to instant noodles by offering microwavable foods such as Hot Pockets, corn dogs, or pizzas. "We haven't decided which company's products will replace Shin Ramen," said the official. "We'll certainly monitor passengers' feedback and, if necessary, change our menu items to reflect majority trends." Now, do you think Korea Air should ban noodles uniformly? Let us know in the comments. Don't miss out on the latest aerospace insights. Hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content.